You know what's better than takeout? It's all the flavors of pad thai packed into a single serving, powered by peanuts. I'm a busy working mama with several kiddos, so dinner time at our house can get a little, well, nutty. Peanut butter and peanuts have more than just protein. They provide healthy fats and fiber to fuel the whole family. Make a simple peanut sauce with eggs, soy sauce, creamy peanut butter, garlic, ginger, honey, and a squeeze of lime juice, and a dash of cayenne for a kick. Then fold in fresh chopped veggies and the rice noodles. Bake for 20 minutes at 350, and when it comes out of the oven, top with some green onion, cilantro, and of course, some crushed peanuts. Just make sure to make extra peanut sauce so everyone can drizzle and dip all of that deliciousness. Hey, for more recipe inspiration, just go to gapeanuts.com.